What is this?
Hello.
Five.
Come.
Wrong.
Haha, pumilo.
Wrong.
Pumpkin.
Wrong. Next player.
Pierce.
Wrong.
Pierce.
Next player.
Papul.
What do you call when someone has pleasing or attractive to the eye? Another term for good looking. Letter P. 5. 4. Huh? 4. Our content for today is mix and match. Match the Drake part 3 with a twist. So first, 5, 4, 3, wrong.
Wala pa tayo ginuo ko eh.
Kuha. Sige na. Next, 5, 4, 3, wrong. 4, 3, 2, wrong. 5, 4, wrong. Correct. Letter P ang answer tanan, letter P. What do you call when someone is happy or hopeful or giving cause for happiness or hope? Letter P. That person is 3, 2, wrong. What do you call when someone is happy or hopeful or giving cause for happiness or hope? The person is letter P. 5,
Person is
4,
friendly.
wrong. Lain na sa friendly. So what do you call when someone is happy or hopeful or giving cause for happiness or hope? 5, 3.
Balas!
Sige, what do you call when someone is happy or hopeful or giving cause for happiness or hope? 5. The person is?
The person is kuan.
5,
Friendly.
4.
Polite.
Sige.
Wala ko brain niya, uy.
What do you call when someone is happy or hopeful or giving cause for happiness or hope? 5.
Pleasure.
Muna kayo mga ugaw mo kayo muna.
Kuan ako.
Ang tabag ka boy? That person is hopeful or giving cause for happiness or hope.
Positive.
Correct. Positive is correct. The person is positive. Ang gum si
Wag
Arjen.
yun na sa mga to.
Positive.
Shout out ni Arjen, no? Namanudlo. Sige.
Ikaduha ni ha.
Oh.
Para hubog mo.
Kaya maka-decide.
Pagyap sa diya.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wrong. Apit nung tatong. Apit nung tatong. 5, 4. Dili pwede. 4, 3,
Del, nga sabi ka, Del!
2. Wrong. 5.
So, kung magtigi, gamit mo.
5, 4. Wrong.
Magtigi. Para may sati.
Wrong. 5. Wrong. 2.
Wrong. Correcto.
Wrong.
Wrong.
5, 4. Mangitak bilisod din para di apo mo.
Pakita ng lisod niya, eh.
Sige. What do you call when someone or something is being entirely without fault or defect? If something or someone is being entirely without fault or defect. Without fault or defect. Depende.
Okay.
5, 4, 3,
Yes.
2.
Prisoner.
Next player, please.
Hello.
When something is being entirely without fault or defect. 5, 4, 3.
Power.
Ano?
Power Ranger. Roya.
Tawag yun na si mong buhok.
Yan ang una-una ya.
Isa sana.
Perfect.
Correct. Magagawin hagis. Sige sa makina. Perfect. Without defect or fault.
Wow!
Diba?
Ikaw
Perfect.
karon. Red horse.
Oh, sige. 5,
Kailan ako na.
4,
Di mo to diha.
3. Wrong. Wrong.
Sakto gani. Sakto to. Sakto to. Girong ni Kuya pare.
5,
4, 3.
wrong. Hindi mo kasakit. Sige. Wrong.
Nabungkag na sud. Nabungkag na gaw.
Correct.
Correct sa lore si Wuto.
What do you call when someone has pleasing or attractive to the eye? Another term for good looking. Letter P. 5, 4. Huh? 4, 3.
Si Bibi kay
Another term for good looking. Face. Beautiful.
Pansalat.
Correct. 4.
Ayaw na may readers.
Wrong.
Wrong.
Pagpapamula ko.
Next player please.
Alams ko na yan.
5, 4, 3, 2. Wrong.
Sumalakay. Sumasagi ka naman.
Wrong. Sumasagi sa isip.
Ayaw ko.
4.
Correct.
Wrong.
Wala pa tayo eh. Wrong ka.
1. Wrong.
Di makadibutang bi.
Galing na lamuhan mo pag dudod sa lamisa. 5, 4. Correct. Oh! Si Dexter. Okay. What do you call the one side of a sheet of paper in a collection of sheets bound together? Especially as a book, magazine, or newspaper. Letter P. One side of a sheet of paper in a collection of sheets bound together. Kanang sa libro.
Page.
Correct. Pwede, sige, sige, dudu.
Achieve na eh.
5, 4,
Naghanan naman ako eh.
3. Wrong. Next. Si bagay niya lang ka. Wrong.
Did you kumagal?
Oh.
Readers yan.
Sorry na lang. 5. Shh, atras. Wrong.
Check ito siguro dito eh.
2. Wrong. 2. 1. Correct.
Saan pala sing?
Atras. Question. Is a keyboard instrument that produces sound when the keys are pressed? Is a keyboard instrument that produces sound when the keys are pressed? 5.
Piano?
Correct. Kurikong.
Inumin ko na.
3. 2. Wrong. 5. Wrong.
Sige, almasin.
Confident?
Wow, di kara.
Sayang, wala pa akan. 2.
Na.
1. Correct.
Hello?
A rectangular cloth bag stuffed with feathers, foam rubber, or other soft materials used to support the head when lying down. A rectangular cloth bag stuffed with feathers, foam rubber, or other soft materials used to support the head when lying down. 5.
Pillows.
Spelling.
I-L-L-O-W.
Correct.
Ayaw ko na yan. Bisag usara.
Ala pa tayo.
Tapos mo na
5.
yan ang 1,000 ko.
Paano na? Dek?
Karapatan.
5. Kanan di ka hulat ka. Correct. It's a bear species endemic to China. It is characterized by its bold black and white coat and round body. 5. 4.
Polar bear.
Wrong. Wrong, ma'am. Sorry ka.
Kasi.
Next.
Yakukulong balik ya.
Dili.
Na.
Next player, please.
Kung ano eh.
Wala pa. Matubag na. Next is a bear species endemic to China. It is characterized by its bold black and white coat and round body. 5.
Peacock bear.
Wrong. Itsura ng bigat bear. Is a bear species endemic to China. It is characterized by its bold black and white coat and round body. 5.
Dako na, di ba?
4.
Dako nga bear.
3.
Dako na siya ya. Kasi na siya ya.
Di kayo dako. 2.
Ay, bear. Piggy.
Next player, please.
Penguin.
Penguin. Wrong penguin lang. Sorry, ma'am. 5.
Panda.
Correct. Panda.
Asa man to?
Panda.
Asa to?
Teka.
Correct.
La!
Next question. What is this?
Manok!
5, 4, 3, 2,
Kise!
ah? Ala, kisi daw. Wrong. Lini. So, Tarong. Ikat.
Oh, di, pina, ya?
P5. 4. Ala, patay. Sanglit. 5.
Ito na tagigumo na ako. Panter!
Correct. Ang pansin.
Panter! Panter!
Balik ka rin, doktor. Balik ka, balik.
Kita ka tuloy na panter. Ah, correct na, correct.
Pagandri ay. Di ba putula eh.
Ala, naduha na lang?
No, siya
Grabe.
gapoy makakuan.
Harap si Pia.
Ting ting.
Wrong.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct.
Ala!
Question, what is this?
Adele.
5.
Pizza?
Wrong. Next player, please.
Patay na.
Kaya, pizza mo yan.
Santo eh. Prikis. Ay!
5.
Pay!
Correct.
It's a pie! Ako na gimana sa una.
Di na katagan sa last.
Hindi na mau.
What is this?
Oh.
5.
Plum!
Wrong. Wrong.
Plum!
Wrong. Wrong lagi. Next. 5.
Haha, pumilo.
Wrong. Wait, pinako may mukha ko ano. 5.
Sige na, di maklaro ya.
P.
Basta kay P.
O, ko na iya.
P mano.
3.
Pumpkin.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Pierce.
Wrong. Next
Piras.
player, please.
Piras, dali na
Wrong.
Piras.
Papul.
Wrong ang papon. 5.
Pumig.
Wrong.
Di ba dahil papaya eh?
Di mada. Di ka mada. May hangin ano yung 5. 4.
Pumarang.
Wrong. Layo ako sa
Pomegranate. Pomegranate.
Wrong.
Lumasam.
Di ka po. Wow, man to kayo ang pomegranate. 5. Ay mo na eh. Ikaw na last kit?
Padol ya.
Peach na.
Ikaw last kit?
Mana?
Mana ka?
Unsa man na oy? Siya wala.
Oh, correct. Peach.
Peach na gan! Ay! Ay! Bago gitubog.
That's it, Mansit.